Hello dear students, today we are going to make some exercises on ratio. Let's read together the first question. If the side length of a square is 6 cm and the dimensions of a rectangle are 4 cm and 5 cm, find the ratio between the areas of the two shapes. First, let's remember together what are the areas of the shapes. What is the area of the square? Area of square equals side to side. What are the dimensions? What is meant by dimensions? It means length and width. The area of the rectangle equals length times width. Let's solve first. Let's find the area. Area of square equals side times side equals 6 times 6 equals 36 centimeters square. Area of rectangle equals length times width equals 4 times 5 equals 20 centimeters square. Okay, he wants the ratio between the areas of the two shapes. In the question, he told me the square first. So I have to write square to rectangle. 36 centimeters square to 20 centimeters square. Then don't forget to simplify it by making divided 4. You have to divide by a common number for both sides. The answer will be 9 to 5. Then when you write the final answer, you have to remove the unit. You have to remove centimeter square. So the answer is 9 to 5. Let's do another exercise. Find the following ratios in the simplest form. Number A, 1 over 2 to 1 over 3. We have here two fractions. Okay, look carefully. For the fractions, I have the denominators what? I have 2 and 3. I will take the two denominators, 2 and 3, then multiply it by the upper numbers. Let's see. I will write 1 times 2 times 3 over 2. 2. 1 times 2 times 3 over 3. Then I have now common numbers up and down. I will cancel the common numbers for each fraction. I will cancel 2 with 2 and 3 with 3. Now I have the first side 1 times 3. 2, the second one 1 times 2. So the answer is 3 to 2. The second one, number B, 2 over 3 to 2. I have a fraction and a whole number. How can I make it? Remember with me, how can I change the whole number to a fraction? I will make it over 1. Now I have the denominators 3 and 1. So I will multiply. I will take the denominators 3 and 1 and multiply it by the upper numbers. The answer will be 2 times 3 times 1 over 3 to 2 times 3 times 1 over 1. I have common numbers now up and down. I will cancel the common numbers together. Cancel 3 with 3 and 1 with 1. Now I have the first side 2 times 1, the second side 2 times 3. The answer will be 2 to 6, but I have to simplify it by a common number. What is the common number between them? 2. So I will divide it by 2. The answer will be 1 to 3. Let's see another example. 1.5 to 1 over 2. I will change 1 over 2 to a decimal. It will be 0.5. Now I have two decimal numbers, 1.5 to 0.5. I have to remove the decimal point, as I told you before, by making times what? Times a decade. Here I will make times 10. The answer is 15 to 5. I have to simplify it by dividing by a common number. I will make divided 5. The answer will be 3 to 1. The last one, 2.5 to 7.5. Also, I will multiply by times 10. 25 to 75. Divided or simplify by a common number, divided 25. The answer will be 1 to 3. Let's see another example. I have 3, 2, 4 and 3 over 4. As I told you before, I have a whole number. In the ratio, I have to change it to a fraction. How can I change it to a fraction? By making it over 1. Look also at this note. If I have a mixed number in the ratio, I have to change it to an improper fraction. So my new numbers will be 3 over 1 to 19 over 4. Now, as I told you before, I have the denominators 1 and 4. What shall I make it now? I will multiply the upper numbers with 1 and 4. I will make 3 times 1 times 4 over 1 to 19 times 1 times 4 over 4. Then I will cancel the common numbers up and down together. Cancel 1 with 1 and 4 with 4. Now the answer will be 12 to 19. Can I simplify this fraction? Can I simplify this ratio? No. Why? Because 12 and 19 are not common in one table. So the final answer is 12 to 19. The second one. 3 and 1 over 5 to 4.4. Now I have a mixed number, so I will change it to an improper fraction. I have a decimal. The number will be 16 over 5 to 4.4. As I told you before, I have to remove the decimal point by multiplying by a decade. I will make it times 10 for both sides. The answer will be 32 to 44. Then don't forget to simplify it by making divided 4 in both sides. The answer will be 8 to 11. Let's look at this exercise. In one of the classes of 6 primary, the number of boys is 12 and the total number of this class is 28. The rest of the class is girls. Find. Before finding anything, before reading the question, I have a number of boys and I have the total number of the class. The rest will be girls. I have to find the rest first. I have to find the number of girls. How? By making the total minus the number of boys. I will make 28 minus 12 equals 16 girls. The first question, read carefully. The ratio between the number of boys and the number of girls. As I told you before, look carefully at the order of the question. The number of boys first and the number of girls. So in my ratio, I have to write boys to girls. I will write 12 to 16, then simplify, means divide by a common number for both sides. I will divide it by 4. The answer will be 3 to 4. The second question, find the ratio between the number of girls and the total number of students. Okay, look at the order carefully. Girls first, then the total number of students. So I will write girls to total. 16 to 28. Then divide by a common number. I will divide by 4. For both sides, it will be 4 to 7. Thank you and goodbye.